I'm going to show you exactly how to create a loop in Zapier. We'll take email addresses from a Google Sheet, split them with a loop, and send each one its own message through Gmail, all from one Zap. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier.com. Sign in and let your dashboard load. I've got a Google Sheet open with a column called email addresses. Inside one cell are several email addresses separated by commas. John@example.com, Jane@example.com, Mark@example.com. That comma is the delimiter that tells the loop where one item ends and the next begins. Now create a new Zap. Click Create, select Zaps. The editor opens. Click the trigger step and search for Google Sheets. Choose it, then for the event, pick New Spreadsheet Row. That fires every time you add a row. Click Continue. Connect your Google account, then select your spreadsheet and the worksheet with the email list. Click Continue again. Hit Test Trigger. Once Zapier loads a sample row, you'll see campaign, product update, and email addresses john@example.com, Jane, Mark. That looks right, so click Continue with selected record. Now add the loop. Click the plus button under the trigger, search for Looping by Zapier. Select it, then open the event dropdown and choose Create Loop from Text. This action is built exactly for taking a block of text with a delimiter and turning each chunk into its own iteration. Click Continue. In the Values to Loop section, give the individual value a name, call it email. Then click the value field and pick email addresses from the Google Sheets step. Down in text delimiter, type a comma. That's the character Zapier will split on, so it'll turn John, Jane, Mark into 3 separate runs. Click Continue. Hit Test Step. Zapier processes only the first iteration, John@example.com, and shows a preview of the other 2. Here's a critical warning. Never use that preview_loop_values field in later actions. It only exists during testing and disappears when the Zap runs live. Always use the email variable you just named. That's the real deal. Next, the action that fires for every address. Click the plus below the loop, search for Gmail, and select Send Email. Click Continue. In the To field, select the email variable from the looping step. For subject, type Important Product Update. In the body, paste your message. Click Continue. Click Test Step. Zapier sends the email to john@example.com. Open your inbox, you'll see it arrived. Subject correct. Remember, this test only executes the first iteration. The live Zap will loop through all 3. Zoom out and look at the full Zap. Google Sheets triggers on a new row. Looping splits the email list. Gmail sends 1 email per address. That's it. 10 emails in that cell, and Gmail fires 10 times. Give the Zap a clear name. Send emails to multiple recipients. Click Publish. It's live. To test for real, add a new row to your sheet with a couple of fresh comma-separated addresses. Wait for Zapier to detect the new row. It polls every 15 minutes on the free plan, so a little patience helps. Then check those inboxes and also Zap history. Each iteration appears as a separate task. Before we wrap, here are a few things that will keep your loops running clean. If you ever need an action to run only once after the entire loop, say a final Slack update, add a filter step after the last repeating action. Set it to continue only when the field loop_iteration_is_last is true. That way the step after the filter fires only on the final pass. Also, iterations run in parallel, not one after the next. Never assume iteration 2 waits for iteration 1 to finish. And keep in mind the loop caps at 500 iterations, so if you're pushing huge lists, that's your ceiling. If your data comes as structured line items like products in an order, you'd use create loop from line items instead of text. That handles multiple related fields, product, quantity, price, all in one loop. If this walkthrough got your loop working, hit like, subscribe for more hands-on Zapier guides, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this video to other people searching for the exact same thing.